Want to know how to change your project name in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your WordPress Filmora app. And once you've done that, you can just simply import any file and edit it as you choose before saving it. And once you're done editing, in order to change your file name, just simply head on to File right here. Now, in order to change its name from Untitled to something else, you can choose one of these two, Save Project or Save Project As. Since this is a fresh project, just simply select Save Project. And here you will be directed to your PC's documents and folders. Now just simply select one destination, and right here you can see file name. Change it to whatever you want. Once you're done, just simply select Save. And there you have it. As you can see in the top right here, it has been changed from Untitled to Project. You can also change again by selecting Files and then selecting Save As. Now you can choose another name and then just simply click Save. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.